Thank you for joining me. I'm LaWanda Butler, Columbus Middle School, 8th grade English Language Arts. Today, we are going to Figure It Out, Understanding Figurative Language in Poetry. Figurative language is just that. It is used figuratively. It is not something that the author means literally. So if you don't understand the difference between figurative and literal, that's the first step. Some figurative language that you may need to know: imagery. Imagery, of course, deals with our five senses, those things that appeal to it. And then we have simile. We have alliteration, allusion, onomatopoeia, which we love to say and can hardly spell. Hyperbole, personification. If I were to tell you her smile is the sun, would you be able to distinguish between simile and metaphor? Which one is it? If you said metaphor, you are correct. What makes it a metaphor is the fact that it does not use like or as. But if I say her smile is like the sun, then we have used a simile. Also, allusion, and many of students have issues with allusion and illusion. Remember that an allusion is a hint or reference to something that may be historical or past, whereas an illusion is kind of like a magic trick. So we want to keep our eyes on the hint or reference, or is this something to make me wonder what the magician did? For instance, Zoe only weighs 95 pounds, but she is as strong as a Trojan horse. What's in there? She is as strong as a Trojan horse is actually an illusion because it's in reference to Helen of Troy, and when they went to war and they were all hiding inside of a horse. Now, she is as strong as is a metaphor that is correct because it is comparing her to the Trojan horse. So figurative language, when we don't come out and say exactly what we mean. Today it is raining very hard. So if I said it's raining cats and dog, I would be using, you got an extreme exaggeration, which is an hyperbole. So remember that when we write, or when the author writes, he's writing to engage you, and figurative language is just that. It is engagement. So I want you to keep that in mind. Let's take a look at one of my favorite poets, Langston Hughes. Dreams. It says, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dream, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Now, when we talk about poetry, not only do we have figurative language, we also have what we call in rhyme, rhyme scheme, internal rhyme that's inside, within the lines. In rhyme, you will find on the end. Don't be upset about it. Don't try to say, I can't figure it out. Let's go over the rhyme scheme. Hold fast to dreams, we will give it a A. For if dreams die, we will give it a B. Life is a broken winged bird. Does it rhyme with anything? No, it doesn't rhyme with dreams. It doesn't rhyme with die. It doesn't rhyme with anything. So I'm going to have to give that a C. That cannot fly. Die and rhyme. Fly, they rhyme. So I got A, B, C, A. Got it? Rhyme scheme. And then so I have in rhyme on the end because I have the die and the fly. Can anyone point out personification in there? Can dreams die? Are dreams people? No. Can dreams go? Can they take feet and just walk away? No. So therefore dreams are being personified. Imagery, something that appeals to our five senses. For when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. I know in Mississippi we don't get a lot of snow, but when we do get snow, you see the ice that covers. That is the frozen with. So it is appealing to our sight. Beautiful, isn't it? When the snow goes over. So, what is Langston trying to say? That's what figuring it out is all about this week. What is Langston trying to tell us? For if dreams die, they are a broken winged bird that cannot fly. A bird has a hard time flying unless someone comes along and helps and repair that wing if it's actually broken, correct? So that is what he's trying to tell us. When we dream, don't let go of your dream. Don't become handicapped. So you got to figure it out. You put it in your own words. There is no right or wrong. Don't be afraid. By now you should have finished the rhythm of the beat and understanding figurative language in Nearpod. You were supposed to take notes and you were supposed to upload your notes to me. This week you have 3 PowerPoints that you're going to watch or view. Make sure you're taking notes. Pace yourself. Take your time. You will have a quiz. If you have any questions for me, you know how to contact me. I hope you've enjoyed figuring it out, understanding figurative language and poetry. I've had a blast. Have a blessed one.